country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Are you looking for a school where your child can grow, shine, and achieve their dreams? Welcome to Lucky Star Educational Center, where excellence begins. We offer top-quality education for learners from playgroup to grade 6, fully CBC compliant and designed to nurture every child's potential. At Lucky Star, your child enjoys modern computer studies with a fully equipped computer lab, chess, karate and swimming to enhance mental skills, discipline and swimming ability, safe and reliable school transport for all learners, affordable school fees, spacious and modern classrooms, highly trained, competent and dedicated teachers, a conducive learning environment, adequate teaching and learning materials for every class. Interviews and January admissions are ongoing. Enroll your child in a school that cares about their growth, confidence and future. Find us in Kisii Town, Jogo area along the Kisii-Nyamira Highway opposite the Kenya Power Substation. For more information, call 071 524 5923 or 071 959 4048. Lucky Star Educational Center, a center of excellence.
Umwanchwa umurigereria nigona kwariganirie emaragoba ya rero ekirere tichi gatatu chitariki 10 omutinye 12 omwaka uyo iga ngo kwarigania ase kionga chinsebere tunyare gusangamo naye alina kwariganirie kuruimena isiko yorogongo rwagusi gati yabo namangana y'abantu kwerusyo bomoyo abande kubwatwa gusambwa naboiga chiamate chinde ko unirirwa korengana noburemeru gose korengana no kunirirwa ase chinka ao ayunga tiari nkwariganiretie tobasagosuka sangamo na incheli anenkoro kwa dipo na sanya asensemo yimanyererio nigoto kubaterana na Wilson Makoli. Gochaka kurwase bunge ya Bonchari amateyemo kurwase kinyorukia boiyeki egotoka chinsemo chiariana nene ase bunge ya Bonchari county ya Kisii ayegama egabono barurekerero kyabo gochia ase serikali weso aniagati elio banyare koenana gose banyare ko bakonya barabukonyora oboene bwabo asomusubati oyomo aberega kounererigwa nabo ige bintu byaye gosarigwa samatukama ega ngana bono yaberege kumutikano moichano omonene ayaiga maega yo musubati yoiga kunyuamwa gocha senkeywe no mongina unenchere ya moyo gotenenia gose kogendereria nabo igo gukinia egesaku ase amateywe kubatakana omongino yoiga nyagosira nigo aiboreta abana babere omumuroyo mo agasiri obogima bwae noyo kabere nigo agenderete komenya asobogima botari obuya gose niga atari no boikeranu ase obongo natukumunyiwa no murikyo tukoro chinsemecho ase bunge ya Bonchari enkayo musubati Roskerbo korwa ase kinyoro kia boiye kia ward ya Riana ebunge ya Bonchari gotoke county ya Kisii nigobonegerete kolera oboene bwaye ase gotebekana nigo bakonererwa na kogania goseriwa korwa asoboremo obuba bwetwe bagotigerwa no mungina oyubanywa mete gocha senkeywe unenchira yamo yokogendereria gose gukinie gesaku
no muchando mbwate twamenyete buyana makobyara keralinge moyo tukamenya nere tsabwati muchando ndi bwensi kara makobyara asira nangire kororo muchando utali muya Abante bagocha rituko ntayo isiko ngakari kanisa babwata bang'atera ebinto biane bansareria ebinto biane ngocha nanyora ebisarigete. Rituko erimo ekero narenge ekanisa ngachigoicha nkanyora amaene ebirore biane bia edirisha yamo biatiru na omorango.
Gwetania ntunde yemo nigo musubati oyo iga atebire buna nigo enibo yaye yabeire kegusarigwa neyende koibwa egento bono getigarete komotiga nomoichano monene.
Ekero nategerera naende wiki eyemo ya kabere iga gekoera naende nkoirwa ekanisa rituko ria chimamosi naende nkanyora bono basarire chidirisha chiane chionsi pi chia enyomba engima chidirisha inye bagatagora echikoni yane bakarusia amabati yane amabati 16.
Kurengana nere niga abeire gakogosererigwa kung'anya korwa ase oboremo obwe ase bono atigarete namaborio igoro y'obogima bwaye n'abana baye ase amatukare bosio.
Bano bakonya kong'a ebitisho bagonte ng'ang'anye korwa bono timaeti ng'ai nkogenda na abana nimbwate mbwate abana abanene saizi abana bane mbwate abana bachete form 4 babere nimbwate abana bare college ngana eri gosomia sai dirisha timbwate chisuguri bakaira chionsi timbwate no esuguri nkorugera mabati ane kona abangire ndo asari omwana one enyomba ase akorara omwana one gamenyete mwa ejirani omwana omomora ase eng'yo timbwati ase akorara.
Egekero eki iga getari kia botambe nigo kiabairerete abamate gwesokia na koboria okobwatana erio banyare kwenekia ng'a nkomurwanirira bare omosubati Rose
tengero kode masumbui iga ninka nyigete obororo ase engencho omwana nore ominto mokamumura ominto lakini buna achete mochio oyo nchina arengo alafu namenyete gari mete namenyete mbuyale kione konya kunde bitise na kasari bwari nkogenda asa ko chibondo kumana oyo kumotisa ningu
Peter Mzungu oseso gono yebujari bono Rosi igare isabiki ase kiombe gitu kiariana. In fact yekero twanyotire ng'a onyari kobo goseru mara kadhaa ng'a naende bono ebirore biatirwe nyomba engima igo riatosoete bobe buna riatosoete bobe tokara goika toimokia toichama muna abana bamo erinde tonyara koba tokorigereria enchera toranyara koba tokomokonya.
bono maete tokoigwa oboro buna ntwe abamate oyo nyogorete oboremo omong'ina akamwana ribu namonereti gose ase omong'ina baikeraneti ase omong'ina are korema oika ntokomana onsi nairete aya iga ase omonyaruko oyo aetwe ase akorema ng'aki ang'ani bono kere tokori tomanye egento eki ng'aki kere mbari gotaka abanto toikang'e tochintwe tokaba amatuko amake naende twagenda igo inche egento ndakwana na abamate tokonyane tokonye omosubati oyo ekiagera bono naigete konywa omong'ina karema oyo ng'ina biara momura oyo agoteba orenge omosacha oyo nasirete momura omwago narauririe omongo bosaregete kidogo igo bono onye nere bikotigarete abwenerete korendwa amasikani abe.
Ichingaki omosubati Rose agenderete komenya n'obwo bana boigo gotwara ebirero ntigarura okoboria gochia ase serikali gwesoania gati erio koenekia ng'a nkonyorare oboene bwaye
Ase serikali akimondorera amabera moiso ime egere monkonya amang'ana aya iga gose ninyare gokonyeka nyore oboene bwane ase eng'yo timbwati ase ngochi buna nde iga ebinto bankoreire na ebi nkonyandiri mbwate ase ngochi kanga nachire.
Uripotire getaseni kia Gatembe korega se wodi ya ne bunge ya Bonchari eliane nkoro kwa Dipon Asanya emambia ya lero amayanda niga bwata ase chinsemo gosase kinyero kia mogweko eyue gotoka ase wodi ya kiamo kama imeye bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba maega yo mworokia oyomo ogosomia eskuru ya Geteri yoboroso na boigo junior secondary atoka gesungetie gose atoka kerusetio bomoyo ase nyumba eng'ana bono etigeta bange no muichano ninkikererete ayaiga goikirana koreng'ana na kerori nigo bagoteba temanyiri ninkikererete okwerusia kwabo kwayo bomoyo gose tiba umanete nonde kubwatikana ne amate yaye buna yega kegoteba ng'ane yega bono nigo yachakire limo lioka kobwatiwa gose korototwa n'abanyanyimbo chinga kibono mubiro oyo bagukurusiwa na koirwa ase nkendu ya gucha keroka nabigemero biro yayo kwenwa kwaye gochaka
chino mubasta nyona umuro yo no yone diko ndia muria igoro nkabuka nkamurangeria twikaransa nere ante yari kuba nkuchenjirire ngasoka nkagenda sinachete ewiki morogoba ngachicha kamurangeria gacha twikaransa nere omong'ina karosie chai lakini agateba takunywa singichiri kubariro tukagosol nere iki gitambi atabwati shite ende yonse atari gontebi kenda kintu tokonya kugamba ebintu mbire nari kurika bye kanisa kamutetiga ngende mbirike tumukabwaye ngatirimboka goja katabia abana bajuko abayigubaye minyoka mu murangereje koragera tata koragera asingichiri kuba akaira na mwaye na nje nkaira na ono mambie bwakire nina leta gosoka mambia kungosoka nagenda na kwana no mungana matenge ngosoka ndi nera na murangeria ono akana nagenda nje kumurangeria gara mu buri ngari kubanga kiwetore twachikurangeria nanyora ngagiciria tari kuigwa tigangetero uru murangunde so tategere murangeri gusina itabe tari goitaba mama mwabo kuburiga ngakibona umwana uyo tatu mwa kumurangeria ekigitamba tari goitaba ngakiga ungusesi mya mwakere otote yaya esimia alimeti aba igubaye bamnyoka goja basoyo koboko murangwa ani echabi yanse tabe gete iguru bakoigura togoso nyumba togonya no esungeti. That is the end of the story.
Gutigana nege korekyo abasaye bono ningo basemiwe koenekia nga ngwetanga bare gosengokeya bare okoboko ogotambe asoko ibe bintu by'abantu okwana yaiga korwa ase ensemo ya Nyangusu ekenyorokia bonyansiaga basi bogetaurio ebunge yabo basi ayayiga maiga yekenyoro gwesokia na gosaga no musao yomo oywe okageire koba no koboko gotambe asokuire ebintu by'abantu engana yabairira barobwo ko motongia koyia goika koera na gosire bogima bwae asebono nere anyara korusiwa n'abanyanyimbo chisemechyo na koirwa asenkendu ya Nyamache chinga kinere boigo obotuki bwachakire nemero bilio yokoni wakwae
akaro yeika chinza kianda chinsa isano sotonenusu chirigere tikianda igotugoigwe purote nene wakanande twobanga ngokure
amba kwani twabukire mambia gono twanyorire gukumia konene asa baje to mucho yomo bakanyara ka bako unenyomba ko ibe bintu kurworo abande banyota bagotama meyo mwaka bwatu wona toko saba abasaye bali bonda bonsi baroje mufano bunoyo banyale bagotoreka
tchandire igaki wona abana muji ko ibya chintakana ayobwata amagoro kirege goso bwata bongo umwana munoyo abwate bigibigi ya nyugote atike to umwana kumwara nyomba
chimboli nche bukuru iga bwango iga chi machine chiyo botanga sachi nche bukuru iga nabono musacha ungabu noyo okole muna yanga bunaya twabeire kirori nole bali batagete gochiunga no boibi na basabire goikeraiga tigatonyale to gotiga kwa sababu tobe aba mubabo okugikeli obuibi obo kwa sababu kiboragendere abange babo ntumie
ase kanyore keiga wabere to chandeka matuka mange sana kurichise gikia bamanyi kia sirete arogonguro bono twekeile tokogura nebintu intwesentu nanda abantu bagotugura n'abana baito
baminto oseka bari kiriya kego kinabona igigento n'ekinguru cyao ibagali yo wetana naso botuko kurige bintu by'abantu bandi bari girima abona bona umusawe uyira asengenci yo gotari koregasi n'ekinguru atagete kurige bire by'abantu tabaminto tigatokore mirimo n'ekinguru egarutonya orekerege itogego tokonya byo batukuchikuyo tusiyo bumwe naona asenkire nkamuneyega umumuro yasiriyo bugima asenkire tabwenerete banyandi yarenge gorye bintu byanenge singuru yatangiye usiyo bumwe yo tigatori kore mirimo asekindu dibatucho okore ebintu tabwenerete tusiyo bumwe
Mwancho murigereria ebikore bunebyo nigo bugenderete ko totiga no moichano okuboria nigo kwa bekuriye gochia serikali koenekia buna ebikora byokunererwa byakeire gose byarigerirwe asobwango kubwatekana namang'ana agenderete konekibwa asokunererwa ku mwana omunyaroka nabo igo mwana omomura ajega nkoreng'ana nabarokibwa berichiko inse yeri aburi ririrengete okurwanirira boene bwa mwanyabantu ase University ya Kisii abo batebire buna chingaki chiaikire ebikore byechisegi ase chinka gose chisegi chiegenka ogosaganwa ku mwana omunyaroka nabo igo obotibongi bobwenete goikomwerio muna tukumanywa no muri kyoito Daniel Ontiri
chingaki ensengima yalinge guchingira okoera kwa matuku 15 nerimo yokoreria na gukora chisegi chegenka no bonereria wechingencho ao aboroki kwa bega bere chiko ase University ya Kisii nigo bara umubekano muya so kwegerania barabo kabanyene igoro bona barachiko bwaterana na bubwatani ao ase segiye.
Tulikuwa tunaweza kuongelea technology facilitated gender based violence. Tukaweza kujifunza jinsi ya kujichunga tunapokuwa kwenye mitandao. Pia tukaweza kujifunza jinsi sisi kama vijana tunaweza simamia haki zetu na kuweza kuziongea kwa watu wengine, kuwaelimisha jamii.
Ekekundi kiga kiaborokigwa aboigo bakurwanira obene bwo mwanyabanto bakoragwa na Gloria Moseti nigo batebire buna ekirenga kyabekenene muno ngwetera ase mitandao yekerero boigo kweneke buna yatumikire buya ase goikemangana igoro yoboniriri bo.
Gender based violence ne ko involve ebintu ebinge ne bwate physical violence ne bwate social violence ne bwate economic violence ebintu buna rape alafu pia kutukana mtu online, worrying someone about self-esteem na wabiko include beyond as gender-based violence.
Okuwa na chinga kicho niko baru kuburia asabo bisa babanyimbo na batuki kubeka bosyo ebina byobunirya boigo baru kuburia gocha sabarai bali bachorire kubwatirira nganeye.
They should do better and they should implement laws that protect people, especially vulnerable people in society, waweze kuwa protect kutokana na madhara ya gender based violence.
And the good thing twairubono chi platforms twaiguchinamba cha DCI chinamba cha usikimi chi platform au choko report
nkurubotere gataseni kya gatembe kurega se county ya Kisii litrene nguru kwa Daniel Ontiri.
Buna enchira eyemo yogotinyo borendi ni gobono umubunge o North Mugirango umuske Josh Nyamoko anyarire gotangana ababunge bande aseritukuria rero asomurubiryo bwokuigura enyumba yoboraro y'abanyanyimbo ase kinyorokia Nyakemino ibyo gotoka omubaga bwe ward ya Bomwagamo naboigo ase ward eria ya Bokeira egekore keiga nigo gyakorwa maega yebikore byobosalia nabo igo boiti koeneki gwa chinsemecho asamatuko abwango iga korengana nogokea kuburendi chinsemecho anene abantu nigo babete bagoitwa anene bali bakorinda ekemeri gyekawa chinsemecho ngara mono ya mwirire tere kwirige tambukere ekyo irikoreto burendi ange ase abanainchi nabo igo ni gatebire nga ebikore biga gose amagenderero chinsemecho anene ase bunge ywe nenchira yemo yokubwaterana ne serikali gose ko koboko serikali eyubone genderete kwana na emirobelio na boiga magendera chinsemo aho unatukumigo no muri kyoito fatika digisemba.
Buna enjira eyemo yokomensia ebunge ya North Mugirango asa magenderero ni gorit kuria rero omubunge bwebunge eyo muskecho ashinyamoko ara omuyiga bugwasioria ukoigurwa kwenyumba yobumenyo y'abanyanyimbo eyo yagachire ase kiwanda geka wa Nyakenimo eyo egotoka sumubaga bwe ward ya Bomwagamo amone ward ya Bokeira.
Mwigweta abantu basiria magimavo ase compound ye ase ngencho bolendu gwekawa ayuna mayo osana naende tuwatembe to ngichibesa ile to be office elinde yebe a fully fledged police post tufanye hivyo ama tusifanye hivyo naende tugie njera togitega gotira teko bobye ine ile tuarure ga sorwaki elinde asaya nonekera abantu bagoitene nasakore kanaragiye kabisa kwanyore na baskali bali bagoitene family cyabo mbuye bagoikaranza
hawanyuki sisi wewe na kamiti yako tunataka kukuomba hatutaki kusikia kisa yoyote kutoka mahali hapa. Wale ambao wamekufa wametosha, hatutaki tena kusikia.
Ensemo yende ya magenderero nigo ebyombe emerongo ebere korwase ebunge ya North Mugirango nigo benyorera chicheki gwetera omoroberio Uwezo Fund.
Kwa wakati huu mtoigo suka kuchiando nspi epara nere gaiga ekoru chabere ya itanyamusi yaenda mpaka Kioge yachi watoka West Mugirango. Hiyo barabara tulikuwa tumeweka kwa budget, lakini nkaenda nkaliria nkarasuka kuru ya serikali ndire narasuka nganda ngadawana bono tiga abagusi tonya kubwatana nega ekerongo chiko chana ngale budget yana abegeto ya gorre ya rusi but bono ige pale nene twanyira ni yororo aina mayo sina mabe
aiga abaraya bubande baikirana nigo bakwanira obuya bwokoba ime ya serikali eregeti
abantu banyamuko mutageta magenderero aya mwatebire mutageta magenderero talibo liswali linde amagenderero ngayagotoka serikali was opposition.
Huyu mheshimiwa wenu tulikuwa naye huko Ikulu. Huyu mheshimiwa alikuwa na kasirika, anaambia Rais William Ruto haiwezekani mpaka hii railway ipite hapa kwetu, na sasa hivi hiyo railway itapita hapa. Lakini nikasema hata kama nyinyi watu wa Nyamira mumepata hiyo railway, sisi kama Wakisii kutoka huko na sisi tumepata airport. Sasa nyinyi mmepaka, si mmepata railway, si mmepata train. Na sisi sasa ndege.
Ensemo yende nigo baira chinga kyecho na kugikeria ebikorwa byogusara omwana omunyaruka aseboigo baburia bateneneri babana kubarenda abana babo buya anene chinga kyechi bagenderete n'umutimoko omutambe ase chinka cyabo
basirete korunyamusi wasekorbo keira 4. That's the information tumepewa hapa na imekuwa reported. Watoto wasichana ambao wamepotea kutoka manyumba zao na tunajua kuna mahali wameenda wakaweka.
Wazazi, please, hii ni December unapata mtoto msichana anatumwa kwa duka, anatumwa mtoni, anachelewa, anapata mtu anaficha mtoto kwa msitu, anamdefile. Januari ikifika mtoto afanyi nini? Aendi shule. Atusemi ni vibaya kutuma mtoto usiku, kwa sababu unaweza pata pia mama alichelewa kupata pesa. Afadhali ulale njaa, lakini usitume mtoto tingatinga saa ngapi? Kutoka Kianyinda, simulisikia? Ati anaua msichana wa miaka 13 kwa sababu ameiba 200. Na mnajua, mlisikia vile yule msichana ameiba hapa. Kazi ya kulea na kufunza na kutunza ni yetu, sio kazi ya kuua. Kama mtoto ameanza kuwa mtundu, huko na kazi ambayo unatakikana kufanya kama mzazi, sio kuua. Na imagine igaitete omochokoro gaki abachokoro mbalia baya nganji gosekia rieto mongino ryabo itomochokoro.
Hingo ripotera Getembe kuroiga Nyakenimo eje gotoka emeye bunge ya North Mugirango kaunti ya Nyamira Njefa Tigad Hisemba.
Abananchi nigo baboriwe ko bamaiso anene chingaki echiga chiemeyega Yesu guku anene abantere base chipara engana yakwanerwa no musasiroti we parish ya Nyansiongo asereta Father Lawrence Mandera nigobono aruro bosemia guchia sabaibori boigo kurigereria abana babo anene chingaki echiga baraso mutimoko omutambe iliko na kyanga ngokina bale biya na boigo nkwerenda bale asokyo aligania kwirana sechi skuru omwaka omoya unotokumanywa no murikyo ito Paul Kapo karakurwa se county ya Nyamira.
Musasiro tujiga kagokwana sinseme chiga che parish ya Nyansiongo igagendera ko bagakubaboria abo bari kwenye kiuna nkolinda barabana babona ko bari takorwa sobotumeke bwa muri ojo gotindya ayo agoturutumba chimba cyabana kinga kikiga bari asumutimoko
abana bakireka abana ingakiye bahenenire muno abana bakwanirwa se obwanjani n'igisemi cyegoro muno egere tari asoko bayita gose ekubarama na kubasiririe kulinda senkwana igisemi egochoko omonto ng'anone liugirire ime yakera omwana ligwatana nekiya nekebe banyare kuira libagariria lyogokora yara marunge
nasinse mugende nigakwanira omuchando bw'ekisegi chegenga ekyo kolengana monera aburirie abayibori kwenekya bunanguriya bale chinchera chinyororo cyo gukora emechando iyo egocha ase enka
obosegi mbole w'ekibwaba around endagera namone endagera eye ekonyuwa ebinyuwa bigotindia echangana ebintu binde bigotindia byagara oyo mase chiamata bantu bale babere kwanyara oyo mana nyweto yondete nyweti segi yachaka yatutukania abana yasario maremba asenka nabo igo kwanyora ng'a none besa babwate baje kwirira abana esukuru yatanta naiga kwanyora ng'ekero chanywari gwika bono ogutang'ang'a kwaba igo nare gosaba abantu baminta sing'aki ya Christmas kero yo manyare kulinda aria waneta arende
nasinse mugende nigagendera ko bagakubaboria abagendi b'ekigahari nanene baria bagochimeyorongorwa gusikurwa ase emechi kwene kibunango babare maisase kibari gutanga emibasoko niye chipara iyo yagendera ko bagakwene kigwana nene chinga kichemeyega ye Christmas nabego no guchingera ku mwaka umuya
onare kuira igeke kyabene gukwana mono ne chintereba abagendi b'ekigari banyare kulinda abantu bali bako ruchitauni mbalimbali kwenda chinsobo kuikera n'abantu bamwe abo gusanga amasomo yiga nabo igo kugenda ekigari eking'ora emineti ng'a ambeyemo kwarendera obuguma bwao kwarendera obuguma bw'abantu bande
omweli oye nigagendera ko bagakobaganiriria abagusie Christmas kerekia na kubabore kwenekia gusanga chinga kiechiga ase balia batabwati
abande ugocha konyora bakwiranana ase ng'encho botaka mugusia otanga kalibike mune byamo balera ngoba nare gusaba ole tabwati mbachi kuiba na bali babwate ntwale gusanga na bali batabwati kiara Christmas iminete oyo ori gorarira nense no yo lensane ratiri wake egere torosio bweto wa Yesu Kristo nga ase kanisa na mono bali barase kanisa twensi tolengaine none ase omete umugusi kurukale kero tubwate umuyiga musanga mitanya kobora na ende nkobole ng'a tari busanga mibuoka rengereria ngo kuri nyomba mwao ng'a yale koba nayo uri otabwati nakiaro jakoba
eginko ripoteri getasini kya wanjete kya getembe kurumaiga ase ebunga ya Burabu account ne ya Nyamira inche gonkuru kwa Polycarp okara
ebikore by'abantu kwerusia obomoyo nigo bigenderete konekigwa chingongo ao anene yense ya Kenya ikiabwango iga omugaso orero omusao yomo Aserieta Thomas niga bagakwerusia obomoyo oyu omanyekanite muno musani kurwa sensemo eria ya Machachumbi asebunge ya Nyaribari Masaba ewodi ya Ichuni nigo musao iga akageire koba omorundia bwendege gose ogokora mangana abeting endege yesimi gose ye computer emanyekanite buna Aviator nabo igo nigo batebire ng'a nigo akageire koba omwega gose niga akageire koba omorundia bwendege yu egekore bakagerete egekore gekageire gosegeta okwerusia kwaye obomoyo chinga kibono abasaya bange baboriwe banyare koba maiso musayo gani garusi wana kurwa senkendu ya gucha chinsemo chakeroka asebono obotuki bwa chakire
abantu ababake muchezo noro guru kwa Aviator nere yare dire mechande igono togende toko yagero tore gai oye konyore besa ayege ntoko rengereria endege ndege tema itinge besa ne yo kwa bwate kitege kaiga mafuta una era iga chachire igo moranje igakora ubugime gosori mchezo hii ya vieta irasikisi michina abantu abake wachana na hiyo mchezo. Hiyo ni ushetani kabisa, abuna shetani abe kwa investment ya nyingi. So ondebwe sinande ase binyore biga tutabaso kare ndu ndeke yatwaro rega iga moja korenda chitambi ase nyumba y'umuntu.
Iganonga ono yale ngwe kitu saa 7 nalitwa igwa ngamumuro yo tararoka na kurumambi. Bono ndi nabe ngoro yane yaminyoka natebanga esa uri no musani ono uringe tigangende nachikumurangeri bwanga guita ari nateba tigangi gure dirisha bono ke nachikurigeri nachikumurigeri bodi nanyora tayi na nachikurigeri kando nanyora ngani ebe getengo
bono kero bwa kimambi natumu mwana genda kwesimi esa njali nkimindu singole sukari ando nyora inyombe ebe kire keburi bona bwata nari yesimi nakira karu bwakisimu kuchisobo ontebi taraenda sobo bona namutikara kange nambi kyagrisimi natumya etwa mufulasi okore kwirende bwakisimi yane yarira
egento kete twate yabami ukonya kuzurura ngore ko genda te binyo bito megaiga oboibi bwangeire bwe chiombe ne chingo kone chimbo bandaya ne tokorayo. Your days are numbered and we are coming for you. Siku za mwezi ngapi? 40. Siku yako itafika na tutakufikia. Mkono wa serikali ni mrefu. Huwezi toroka. Ebintu bya bantu bisikwe. Kiro muntu gako beke bigari manyakonyora ebintu. So tigago kandi gotumeka shortcut konyora ebintu ya bwangu. Igama sikani agaendelea na toka ndete konyo kutakama gai. Christmas ya ikire wone abayibori Christmas kariya mandazi make manyanga janyo ne goreki efis neta ke next year uniform neta ke next year chiri munchita ke next year tebazo ikinga kina ato ngayo sumbwana kumaete ngano bwata abana bakwende kwende school next year igo banga janyo alikubono
abantu nigo banyarire ko boriwa gochamo na kwibwatirania na mangana ringete nebyombe buna enchireyemo yoko bakonya na kubasira aso kwegendereria ase chinka chiabo gukwana yaiga ne chingaki ekyombekemo kyabwato gosangereria kurwa sensemeria masimba ensemo ya nyaribari masaba ekyombe kemanyekanete buna omoterere nigo kyabwato gosangereria aso kugura chiema na boge birogo ebiranyara ko babiko basira aso kwegendereria ase engana bakwanira abasaye bagenderere kwirita na kwirangora ase okoba abaya na gotige bikora byo bosaria anene chinga kechiga abantu bagendereta so mutimoko n'abantu gosemiwa aso bime webwatirania nebyombe elio banyara konyoro gosirana aso obwamo
Neke ombeke iga twajite korigereri tukanyora nga ntori buya twamige kirase enchereje neyenda soko somia abana nekera twanyora nga twamige kirase nginjo gosomia abana to kanyora to kwarengereria kanyora na chile semina gete twasomi iguro ya table banking karangeria bangina abana bagakaba tukachake kiombeke iga sengencho yoko ruchi besa elibu twaja kakoyeroni na anda abantu tokoroni ni twabanyene yagera twasomeria abana if tukachuko ikarantu tukanyora nga egento ngerege tore imete ko mbure ego twatwero twanyora bokongu bonde twanyora ntubwati gento tokoigamira tukaratiga tubanga na ando mwaka 2025 tukachaka January konya koliginga ebese litwale koru ego round yeli na enderete rekina tukatebanga tigana ndo ngeko changa ebese yebirogo
kwanza kabisa iguru yemegega egenda etabono December yo matena ere tu akarukiria abana kare egente getangani ndate gochakaiga abana bachire sika eruse ya lenge ntambe amate mwakoru grade 6 grade 9 amate mwakoru form 4 abana abale sika abaibuli murenda bana mabazikora yo tichipara bana mbabazi kutuka wari ndo mwako aranga ninga gutarane na kundo nsama yabana kento nkeri turakore kiya gwetani gusomia abana basome abana ko basome tekenyoro igoge kobe kenyoro kiya kigutyo kabija enese amagenderera ingiya nanda abantu ba minto murende bone ngakine yejikura mo genda bwango mo genda ngora nari kwari ringa ningo more komo kwa mafaraki kwa manya kukwara egente kia omarembe tutagete obwanchani obuya ne serikali erugene koreki wa masikani esinya saa etogosaba nyasaye naki bonsi binto batagete bacha ese kiombe gito kegende batogendere kiombe gito mutwe kwa mani ya tokonyira abana na njengi ankonye to mwana okuri sukuru ekuru ese kiombe gito
babeire bagutosira abange gocha nabo tokwira ngambi yama na abange ntanyare gwatara marieta bari batosire na banari kubaire na barabngambi yama
one gento tware bateba nekiga ntubwata abaminto abaiga baraye bagotokonya engineer Nyanga Professor Ngeri na Tisimachogu na mesa kubonyo ntumuganitiga iga ndiye kintu muganitiga iga amo na abande manduku nera ntumuganitiga iga nabo igo posi mairura nera ntumuganiti na mwambi nera ntumuganiti iga bonsi abuna abange ntubaganiti
Roboti urumwancho murigereria na ruro gutwira somutimo komokego kwiri na tole egeka getarie getambe gendera gusanga muna intwe tosuka.
Sukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeri bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na we go Water Engineering. Ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwegeri bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na we go na Network System Administration. Ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwegeri bale Electrical Installation na we go Electrical Engineering. Ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwegeri bale Hairdressing we go mbabwate Fashion Design. Ase Hospitality and Tourism nkwegeri bale Food Production yani cookery na we go Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Marieta Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi e principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Limongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali bakore chiskuru cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zichene kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bali chiloni cy'ogosoma wetera HELB Higher Education Loans Board ne kibese cy'umwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ecy'umwana gotumia kumenye skuru ubulendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende getangania tabiri ngo mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we bursary in full inda abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application sinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuru yiga kose obakirisi migutara sinamba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Looking for a school that gives your
Omwaziri w'ekibesa imeyense ya Kenya John Mbadi nigo bonasegetira abasae wesokia na komanya ekibaganetie nabo igokogechira gosegokebwatia gokwana yaiga nechingaki achakia omurobiryo bwogosira aborokigwa anene mono asensemo yekibesa nigo bono Musike Mbadi atebire buna abasae nigere buya banyare wesokia nakwe ero nakorotota keribarigetie gosekeribaganitia sobugima unenchire yemo yo kwegendereria na kubamanyanga undetayo orachie kubaretera ebintu ase baisaransete onyemba wesokia na kubibwatia.
I won my first election when I was considered the most poor of all the 10 candidates. I say considered because I was doubting. There were 2 people I thought I had more money than them. But you see, since I was branded poor, I decided to take advantage of that. And I exploited it to the full. I was telling people, me, I have no resources, but I have the brain and I have the heart to serve you. So don't be lied to. I know times have changed and nowadays people have monetarized and commercialized politics. But if you want a seat, don't be discouraged. That is, it's only the wealthy people who can get those seats. If you communicate, our people are very informed, by the way, including those who have not gone to school. And they know how to make decisions. If you have something, please communicate it. And by the way, don't wait until when you want to run is when you start engaging with the community. Engaging with the community does not mean that you'll always be giving them money. Just look for those initiatives where the community is involved. Get in, and people will appreciate you. They will see leadership in you very early. Very, very early. So I want to tell you, you have the potential of leading, including in leading this country. But no one will come to you at home and tell you to go and become a leader. It is you to decide. It is you to decide. That is why when I listened, Juzi, last weekend, nilisikia one politician saying, Eti, why are people moving around asking to be CG kingpin of this region? I don't know what that kingpin means, after all. But then he's saying, we have Dr. Buru here, and we have so and so, so and so. You see, Dr. Buru is our political leader in ODM, party leader. But that does not...
Umujumbe w'ebunge ya East Africa Legislative Assembly oyubo igore omusubati onyagusira Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga omuske Winnie Odinga nigo bona motogirie omuske Raila Amolo Odinga uno muntu bwate birengereryo ebija gochia asabanto komenta nayo Winnie nigatebire buna nyagusira nigo nyagusira tatu mwabo niga bwate ebirengereryo ebija nabo igo nigaringo mustari obosyo asokurwanirira anene oboene bwa munyabantu nabo igo abakenya asenchira yabene ayeganiga kwana chingaki bamunyora nyagusira Raila Amolo Odinga asokurwanirira oboene bwa munyabantu.
We have a society where men and women still are not quite equal, even when we talk about that. where a young woman from Bondo can ask a simple question in Mombasa and they say it's disrespect, but a man can ask the same question in not as polite a manner and they say it's leadership. See, the Kenyan youth do not live in Kenya. My mother, she watches the news. We always joke the only thing she watches is the news. I, on the other hand, never watch Kenyan news. I'm physically present in Kenya, but I join my colleagues online. These young people are exposed to a world where they are told they are enough, that they are smart enough, they are strong enough, and what they say and think matters. When some of you have an issue with your phone, you always ask a young person around you to fix it. They do it in 1 minute. I'll tell you today that thing irritates them. Because that's not all they are good for. They can do many things in 1 minute that may take you a bit longer time. So we need to give them a little bit more space. In 2025, we have witnessed a kaleidoscope of events. Youth-led movements demanding accountability. Our regional neighborhood here is not quite like us. There's been public outcry for reforms and a palpable sense of fatigue with governance that feels more like a game of musical chairs than a platform for true participation. But fear not, for the absence of change is where inspiration begins. And that is precisely where Baba thrived. He believed that passion could shake the walls of our political history, challenge the status quo, and remind us that democracy is not just a political system, but a way of life woven into the fabric of our society. Raila Odinga was a man who understood that leadership was derived from the will of the people and not the will of its leaders. He used to say, leadership isn't about a title. It's about showing up every day, fighting for what is right, and lifting others as you climb. And lift he did. From pushing for multi-party democracy to championing the rights of every Kenyan, he stood firm in the belief that every voice counts.
Omurai wense omoske Dr. William Samoei Ruto ningobona mochirie ebyombe bire bigendete komochia eserikali asoko kore miremo weserikali ya Kenya amonense ya Amerika eyemo aseyemo korengana nere okwo no gwancha gusino kugania kurwa sense ya Amerika igobonere tabwati kende gyonsi arerenerie gochia asebyombe byo murai wense bunagoteba.
The government of the United States themselves, they made a decision that they don't want to give their money to NGOs. They want to give their money to government. It is not our decision. It is their decision. So if anybody is annoyed in between here, they should take their anger to another place. They should not bring it to us. You know, I know there are entities that have been benefiting from these resources, you know, and as a result, they are sponsoring all manner of stories around. If they have a problem with the current structure, they should go and talk to the government of the United States, because they are the ones who decided that for efficiency and efficacy, they want these resources to come directly to government and to give assurance to the county governments here that those resources will find their way to our counties. It is not me who said, it is the government of the United States that they did not want to continue funding the NGO industry. It is them who said. So, tafadhalini, please. Kama kuna mtu amekasirika kwa sababu, you know, walikuwa wanatengeneza pesa, sijui wako na maofisi kubwa kubwa, naendesha gari kubwa. Sasa mnatuuliza nini? So I just wanted to clarify that particular point so that we are clear. And let me say this finally.
abagabana nigo baorokirie okogokiwa kwabo asa magenderera yuagenderete konekiwa imeyense ya Kenya. Umunyakirogo gwekiombe kia bagabana Abdullahi nigo bono akirimbia mono gochia sabara ibaria basirire amachiko yogo konya chi county. Litukuria lero nigo muraibwense ara egekaro gio kurigeria amagenderero ase chi county nabuga serikali enene.
I wish to commend the various intergovernmental sector forums that exist and that are doing commendable work. I wish to, however, note that there is need to have sector forums outside the devolved function areas, including security and foreign affairs. These functions are primarily assigned to the national government, but have an impact on devolution as well. I'll be failing if I do not commend the Office of the Attorney General, who participated in the Council of Governors meeting last week, where discussions on legal sector forum was discussed. Consensus was built such that such a forum would avail an opportunity to address the legal issues and forestall disputes, as well as decongest the summit agenda. Your Excellency, we appreciate the continued efforts by the National Treasury to stabilize the equitable share disbursement schedule. However, there remains critical issues requiring summit direction. The same will be discussed at length, and agenda number 7, they include SHA reimbursements, road maintenance levy fund, costing of devolved functions, and the passage of the County Government's Additional Allocation Act, among others. Your Excellency, the constitutional architecture of devolution thrives where there is mutual respect, fidelity to the law, and the shared responsibility in delivering quality services to Kenyans. This summit symbolizes that partnership. The challenges that we face, whether in health, roads, fiscal management, land administration, or public service, are not obstacles, but opportunities for deeper coordination. We look forward to
Mwancho muligereria abuno toko yakero musumari ekionga chinsa ibere aitu abere toko sangamo nae ngote bambia mono asokobo no muligereria gosobo tegereria obuya twekira mwario kurinde gati yaria twakwanira asibali banyorwa nige bikore byo kwerusho bomoyo byagendera konekiwa engana abantu baboliwe gosanga ebirengererio nabamwabo kero kende chingaki banyorire obokong naboigo omocheso oyora siji computer gosaji asechisimi omanyikanite buna vieta nigo irira magima yabange igobono bali bagochesa omocheso ywe gosokorundie ndege bakweruka chi pilot irangora nigo ngoteba nakukonire chinga kichingiya nandekera togochiko yarigania tomirana nae chinsa nye kurende asebire biga nigo ngokomanyinga litukulia lero asense moje byombe ewiki egoja litukulia Jumatano nigo turaomirane na Onsarigo Geoffrey bakobwaterana no mo CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco awara jiko sangamo na intwe chinchire chigo kinia ebyombe ewiki egocha asebire biga nganchere ngotige no bosemye bwagatembe eliane nkoro kwa dipo na asanya nsembo yimanyiririo nikakoro kwa Wilson Makoli.
Baraka ninjo, ninjo rembe, ninjo dorome, manana man, bangina ninjo. Moseraibu, tangana muminjo limu. Moseraibu no ruliwe. Oyo ayebono kuna kubuzu, inkabu wole no kuna kubuse na nkabu turasoka. Aya turasoka no wole nkabu yo kuna kuisiki kia kenyole kia uji kwana kurwa. Abantu bose nari gachi bawo abantu bose kurwarira ganga mumbu yakanja abantu bose kurunonya kwa no kurumarani no kurwari etore tono aya nora ngano abo komanyete kwana gutara ukiya tumaiti kende na benga kunabona aya tumaiti okena abantu bose nabaga gachuba abantu bose nabaga akwere nyantro ta manyangamba tikako bamoseraibu oruka isiko oruke saba abantu mbaga chire bisarate inkiya kabera moseraibu kenda bisarate kende kanisa sabande baguki kenda aliye kebute sabande bale na ati kono kabanyumba kuna kubusa waswena ni baka tuliko nonizika ai Moseraibu tangana muminjo libi ya da kolenga ko ro na Moseraibu oyo lero lyo karukuru moisurumbu no monto muoro ai bono ora mu kakero kenda basu mono monege kwali tiero ya muswati uri ya umo mino lyo digereti ai tia una kwabuse biso na gweta kuna goserie biso okonya umuntu bwabusire bakeparo kwabuse gutakiri ayo muisuru mbwaye kuna kwabuse biso na gweta enda mugondoleme nyo biso na byali kuna kwabuse na mona mogoro no le mkyo kuna kwabusire biso togo tige biso na ibi wa una chiko chiko da bito bile chitoje ya tiga manganayo Pagaka ninjo etembe, ninjo dorome, ninjo mangana man, ninjo pagina ninjo.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical Vocational igekwarika intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono agriculture and environment studies plumbing, masonry, carpentry and joinery, building technology, civil engineering, now we go water engineering. Ase ensema ya computing and informatics. Nkwike dibali ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security, now we go na network system administration. Ase ensema ya electrical and electronic engineering. Nkwike dibali electrical installation, now we go electrical engineering. Ase ensema ya cosmetology. Nkwike dibali hairdressing, we go what the fashion design, ase hospitality and tourism. Ngwege dibale food production yani cookery, na wigo food and beverage production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barari Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye gotoka Limongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 was a form 4 batajet universities. Acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zichene kono cy'ububundi cyonsi abana ngwakano bari kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye gubali chiloni cy'obosoma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cy'umwana nkwaye wari kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ecy'umwana gutumia kumenye school ubulendagera na gwakane se nyumba komenya. Again, tokende abana nkwaye gubali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries. Echio applications chirororo naba bunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba. Again, ndege Tanganyika tabiri nga mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba go ikawe bursary in full inta abana baito January ni tekinega ndereta abana bali bako school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application sinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi migutara sikiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo and more for $4.50 per month.
Enyagitari ya Nuga Best nenyagitari ya chire ngumaso gusega sigire mechando a oya marwaire ayo agendera ko bagagucanda mwanya